Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. In our today's session, we are going to have a look at adjectives, interrogative, which is interrogative adjectives. Now, what are interrogative adjectives? So basically, whenever we have to ask questions related to which or what, for example, which books do you like? What is your name? What is your age? In all these types of questions, we are going to use our interrogative adjectives. So in French, we have 4 types of interrogative adjectives. Quel, quelle, quelle, and quelle. Yes, the pronunciation is the same. There's only a change in their spellings. So why there's a change in the spelling? Because it depends upon the noun that it's following. So if our noun is masculine in gender, if it's feminine in gender, if it's masculine plural, or if it is feminine plural. So let's see on the basis of that. So the first one that we have is Quel, Quel, which is used for masculine singular nouns. So let's see a sentence in this case. What is his first name? First name in French is prénom. That is masculine in gender. So it's going to be Quel est son prénom? Quel est son prénom? Alright. Now, let's change the same sentence from masculine singular to masculine plural. The sentence will become, what are their first names? In this case, the spelling of quel is going to change and it's going to become quels sont leurs prénoms. Quels sont leurs prénoms? Here it's going to be Quels because prénom is changing from masculine singular to masculine plural. Now, talking about feminine singular, in that case it's going to be Quelle. Quelle. Which car do you like? So car, that's voiture, that's feminine in gender. So it's going to be Quelle voiture aimez-vous? Voiture, that's feminine in gender and it's singular. That's why we are going to use Quelle. Quelle voiture aimez-vous? Now, changing the same sentence from feminine singular to feminine plural. It's going to become, which cars do you like? So it's going to be, Quelle voiture aimez-vous? Quelles in this case, because now it's not feminine singular, it's feminine plural. Quelle voiture aimez-vous? Très bien. Now let's have a look at this small exercise. So first of all, we have to determine the genders and number of our noun. So here I have mentioned their genders. Quelle est son adresse? What is his address? Quelle est son adresse? The second one, it's masculine and it's singular. So it's going to be Quel livre lisent-ils? Which books do they read? Quel livre lisent-ils? The third one, sac, that's masculine and singular. So it's going to be Quel. Quel sac préférez-vous? And the last one, robe, that is plural in gender, feminine plural. So we are going to use Quelles. Quelles robes sont les moins chères? Quelles robes sont les moins chères? Très bien. If you understood this topic and if you liked this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!